watching your mouth. Huh? What's your comment? What's your comment? Because I cannot read your comment already. Hi, Jose Garcia. Hello, Captain T. I promise I'm not jealous. I'm 15, lol. Oo, gusto po ma'am, paglutuan kita. Masarap po ako magluto. Sige, magluto ka. Hi, Jose Garcia. Hello. Hi, Sid. Hi. I cannot understand your comment. Hi, Charlie Master. I think 51 is yours for Captain T. You're 15, you need to get off this app for ground PPLR, really? Bam di ba? I just scroll on this scam across your stream, funny. How they hating on you, haha. Bliss from the Netherlands, low. Thank you. Get some 5 to 8 goods moderators, please. Oh, I don't know how to moderate. Yeah. Can you see my name, please? Hello, Skibidi. Hi, Skibidi, Skibidi. Si Nestor, hello. Tomaso Di Gusto, a moderate for Six Filipina. Oh, really? You're a moderator on the Six Filipina, but I don't know how to moderate. I'm very sorry. Hello. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome. I'm still here. Welcome, welcome. So I'm not sleepy yet. So let's talk about. So I really apologize because I end my life and I go to the appointment. So I'm very sorry. I apologize. So now I really happy to live stream because I read your comment, but oh my god. Hi, Jose Garcia. Are you married? No, I'm not married. I'm solo parent. Kiran Veggie said hi, hello. Tomaso, Mercy, please get protection. I have enough early, sorry. What's protection? What's protection? Thank you so much, guys. Jose Garcia, you have kids? Yes, I have 2 children. So thank you. Please give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Please like and share my live stream. Hi, Kathy. Hello. Nadika, come here, please. Twice a face. Show your face clearly. Okay. Yes, I show my face. But it's too very near, so that's why. Oh, show you please clearly. Belkir. Hello, Belkir. Welcome, welcome. Hi, Nadika. Watching your fuck. Huh? Some people are not nice just seeing. Oh, really? Thomas is it right. It's nice. Since you're short, do you think I would be taller than you? Ah, please, please. What's your perfect man or perfect date? I found it already. Perfect man and perfect date. Please. Good evening, Nels. Hi, Janty. Hi, Johnny T. Good evening, Nels. How is my beautiful friends doing? Well, I'm resting. I'm not sleepy yet, so I live stream for a minute. You are nice, Steve. Please. Hi, good evening. Hello. Londo Java. Edward Lasika. Hi po, ma'am. Hey, Edward. Captain Tiso, you are not single. You lie. Huh? I mean, I found my feelings and my perfect date. So, I'm 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 still solo parent. Joseph said, "Hi, watching feast. Hi, hello. Hi, Muso. Your body is very good. Thank you so much. Your body. And from Indo. Where is Indo? Indo is India. You mean that Indo is India? It is time.